My work is about collaborative social navigation in accompanying and approaching tasks. My name is Elida Piso. I'm working in the Maria de Maestro project, and my thesis was developed at IBI under the supervision of Alberto Sanfeliu and Anais Gaga. The aims of the methods included in the project are to obtain a natural robot person accompaniment and approaching methods where both agents are able to navigate, avoiding static and moving obstacles in dynamic urban environments. The adaptive social planner is the general structure of all the implemented methods, which has these inputs. The method has two parts, one where all possible paths are calculated to accompany and approach people, which uses an RRT style, and the social force model to include the interaction with the environment and people inside the environment, and other part where the robot does an optimization that evaluates certain criteria cost of the characteristics of the path. And finally, we obtain the best path and the best social behavior of the robot to accomplish this task. This planner has two parts. The first part computes all the possible paths using the social forces that represent the real interactions of the robot with the environment and all the people who are in it. The second part, we evaluate the robot's paths using different costs to obtain the best robot behavior. This is the robot accompaniment of one person that uses this resultant force to obtain the robot behavior, where we have to add a new force to do the accompaniment and a new force of repulsion towards the person that accompanies the robot with less density, since they are interacting, not avoiding each other. And also we need to modify the force until the destination. We select the best path to accompany the person, including a cost to evaluate the accompaniment, and we will see that all the performance are good for all methods. This is the group accompaniment using a B formation. We implemented this method during my PhD research study in Japan. We included the B formation method of Francesco Salungo to include two new attractive forces until the accompanied people, and we include two reduced repulsive forces respect to the accompanied people also. And in the cost, we modify the cost of accompaniment. We implemented an approaching method that combines the G2 and the extended social model. We need to modify the attractive force until the final destination that now is dynamic, and also the weights of the forces are modified. In the cost, we need to modify all the costs to combine well these two methods.